We finished comparing the Glossettes and Smarties having the same volume and both items being able to fill either container, and looking at the media aspect of what goes into packaging and what looks more appealing. We also have to compare the cost of the packaging and how much cardboard is needed to make both packages. But now here's where it starts to get confusing. So the gobstoppers also have 50.1 grams, so very close to 50 grams of product inside of it. However, its volume is a little bit different. So its volume is 108 centimeters cubed, whereas the Glossettes and the Smarties were approximately 91 centimeters cubed. So will the other products, or will the gobstoppers still fit into the Glossettes? So let's see what happens. So we're going to take the Raisinets out of the Smarties, and we'll pour in the gobstoppers into the Smarties. So what do you predict? Will there be enough volume to hold the capacity of the gobstoppers? So if we look, I can close the container and they all fit inside the Smarties container. What does that tell us about volume and capacity? And we didn't compare how much leftover packing room is, so we'll put them back in and we'll compare that. I'm curious now on whether, it fits into the Glossettes, because the Smarties had a 3 centimeter depth of extra packing room, whereas the Glossettes only had an extra 2 centimeters of packing room. So let's see if they fit into the Glossette container. I'm gonna have to drop these ones in, I'm losing them. Okay. Whoop. So the Glossette container has a little bit more difficulty. If I keep finding some room. And that 1 or 2 still won't fit in. And let's just put it back into the gobstopper container just to see how much extra packing room was in the gobstoppers. And we'll put those 3 back in. And there is next to no extra packing room in the gobstopper container. Okay. So think about in your groups, which package would be the best for the gobstoppers? What are you going to need to be able to solve that or prove that? Of which package would be the best? Is it worth coming down and losing 2 gobstoppers per package and using a